Hello everyone. In today's video, I am going to talk about the rules and uses of capital letters. So let's begin. We capitalize the first word of every sentence. For example, the boy is going to school. Thieves are bad people. As you can see, the first words are capitalized. Don't capitalize a sentence between parentheses within another sentence. For example, the boy Robin Hood, who steals from rich people and gives to poor people, is a hero. The sentence between parentheses, we didn't capitalize it. We capitalize the names of family relations. For example, last week we visited Uncle Jack and Aunt Susan at Grandma and Grandpa's house with Mom and Dad. We capitalize Uncle, Aunt, Grandma, Grandpa, Mom, Dad. But if we use my, there will be a change. For example, I live with my mom and dad. We didn't capitalize mom and dad because there is my. We capitalize the personal pronoun I. Always. I live in a small house. Even if I came in the middle of a sentence, we capitalize it. As for titles, we capitalize all the words except articles, prepositions, and coordinating conjunctions. For example, in the mountains of sand, we capitalize in mountains and sand. I know his secret. Here we don't have any articles or prepositions, so we capitalize all the words. We capitalize names of persons. His name is Harry. We capitalize names of places and geographical locations. For example, he went to visit his friend who lived in the Middle East. We capitalize Middle East because it's a geographical location. We capitalize the names of days. We are going to leave this Friday. We capitalize the names of months. We will finish in March. The names of holidays. It's the Valentine Day. We capitalize Valentine Day. We capitalize historical events. For example, the World War II is a historical event. We capitalize the names of religions and religious terms. May God forgive us. The word God is capitalized. The same goes for the names of religions as Islam, and terms as Christian or Jews. We capitalize the names of nations, nationalities, and languages. I have a friend from Britain. He is British and speaks English very well. We capitalize the name Britain, British, and English. We capitalize the names of brand names. Zara is a popular brand. We capitalize titles when they are before the name and not after. For example, President Mark and his secretary Jennifer were here. We capitalized President because it came before the name Mark, and secretary because it came before the name Jennifer. Another example, Charles, who was the chairman of this company, has retired. We didn't capitalize chairman because it came after the name Charles. We don't capitalize directions. The plan headed north. We didn't capitalize north. The same goes for south, east, and west. We don't capitalize seasons. When spring comes, we do a lot of picnics. We didn't capitalize spring, and the same goes for winter, fall, or autumn, and summer. We don't capitalize white and black when we are talking about the color of skin. Thank you for watching.